My name is Andrew. I'm a volunteer for Flowwa. I'm honored to be the first volunteer in Canada for the organization Flowwa. Very proud of that. Working with Carrie. So a little bit about the organization. Flowwa is a non-profit arts organization that helps violence survivors in their trauma healing journeys using the power of art and creativity. Flowwa offers art and wellness workshops that create a sense of calm and relaxation. The way it works is that Flowwa offers art workshops to the public and uses all of the profits to provide peer support for violence survivors. Now you're asking, where does this name Flowwa come from? Flowwa is a combination of two words, flow and wa, which is actually a Japanese word for community. And so Flowwa is a community that flows forward and moves forward together. And it also kind of sounds like the word flower, and if you've looked at the logo, you can see there's the flower imagery, so kind of all-encompassing symbolism here, and a symbol of growth and healing and moving forward. And as someone who's been involved in the arts in the past, when I met the founder, I immediately understood the mission and the journey that we're on to use art as a vehicle for social change, not only at home here in Canada, but on the international stage. She's also in Japan and Australia with these efforts. And if you're interested in helping, if you're interested in trying out interesting art and wellness workshops, please join our meetup group. This is the Flowwa meetup group. And if you have any questions, you can speak to Carrie, who's at the back there throughout the evening. A quick call out to any artists, anyone who considers themselves having artistic talent, anyone of all career levels, from emerging artists all the way to the established artists of any medium. If you'd like to be featured in Flowwa's community building events such as this one, if you'd like to have a collaborative art event or an art exhibition to get involved in the collaborative art promotion, please talk to the lovely Carrie back there. If you have a social cause that you're passionate about and you want Flowwa to organize an event for it, again, you can speak to our founder. Thank you all very much for coming, and right now at this time I have the pleasure of introducing the owner of Jewel Envy, Jillian.
Thank you so much for coming. I think we fit a few of those categories. Jewel Envy is home to 18 professional goldsmiths. They have backgrounds from all over. What they have in common is that they all live and work in Toronto right now, and they make their jewelry here. So I would like to introduce Shafiq Sarwari. And if you'd like to say a little bit about yourself, I'm then going to do a little bit of a Q&A.
Hello everyone, first of all thank you for coming here. Special thanks to Jillian and Flowwa for organizing this event. I'm pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Shafiq. I'm born in Afghanistan. I came to Canada in 2016. I started jewelry in Afghanistan in 2009. When my sister was going to jewelry school and bringing her work to home, I was inspired by those and was interested to go to school, jewelry school. And since that, I'm involved in jewelry. I moved to Canada in 2016 and I was lucky enough to meet Julian.